along with me as I make over this little mid-century end table. I think the curved lines and the chunkiness of the table would be perfect for a lake house or even a nautical theme. So let's get started. I began by cleaning the table with some oven cleaner. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I like to use oven cleaner to clean wood because it does a really good job. It removes all of grease and grime buildup. Also, with a little effort, you can use the oven cleaner to strip the wood, but I mostly just use it to clean the wood really well. Spray it on, let it sit for 30-45 minutes. Use a brush and go over whatever you're cleaning and then rinse it off with some water. That easy. Once it was completely dried, I went over with a light sanding. I was originally going to use a pre-mixed chalk paint, light gray, but after covering the table, decided I wanted something a little bit darker. I had some leftover paint from painting our house, so that's what I used. I'll leave the color down in the description below, but I did use the chalk paint as a base coat. Besides the base coat, it took 3 top coats of my darker gray to completely cover. The table did not have a drawer pull, and I have quite the collection from old projects. I like this one, this little drawer pull, because it looks like a rope, and I am going with the nautical or the lake house theme. I need to paint the drawer pull, so to ensure that the paint adheres to the pull, I went ahead and took a SOS pad and cleaned it very well. After a coat of Rust-Oleum spray paint, it was good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do a makeover project of your own.